You're bored. You're scrolling. You're waiting for something to happen, something to change on its own. You switch between apps. You refresh your feed again and again, and yet nothing changes. Nothing satisfies you. You tell yourself that the problem is outside you. You're just waiting for the right thing, the right moment. Boredom is not a lack of stimulation. It's a lack of purpose. Most people think that boredom is when there's nothing to do. That's wrong. Boredom is when you have things to do and you don't want to do any of them. It's not an absence of activity, it's a refusal to engage. You sit there, waiting, hoping, feeling nothing, wondering why life feels empty. Boredom is your brain telling you that you're avoiding something important, something that you have to do. Boredom is the price that you pay for living a life that doesn't demand anything from you. They never stop to ask the real question, what is this boredom trying to tell me? Exactly what it wants. Boredom is not a curse, it's a gift. It's the feeling of unused potential. The cure for boredom is not more entertainment. The cure is meaningful difficulty. When you feel bored, don't reach for your phone. Sit in the boredom, let it burn. You'll see what's been waiting for you. The book, the business, the body, the conversation. Ask yourself one question. What would I do if I refused to waste a single second? Then do that. You've been running from boredom your whole life, scrolling, distracting, numbing, treating it like an enemy to be destroyed. But boredom was never the enemy. Boredom was the messenger, the alarm, the signal that you were living below your capacity, that you were hiding from your potential. And every time you silenced it, you silenced the part of you that knew you were meant for more. Today, the running stops, the scrolling stops, the waiting stops. You sit in the silence. You feel the discomfort, and you let it speak. Because on the other side of that emptiness is everything you've been avoiding, everything you've been too scared to try, everything that matters. And the only way to reach it is to stop filling the space with noise. Stop filling it with cheap stimulation and let the boredom show you what you're really here to do. So here it is, the cure you were looking for. It's not an app. It's not a video. It's not something to consume. It's something to become. The person who doesn't get bored is the person who is always building, always creating, always moving towards something meaningful. That person doesn't need entertainment. They need purpose, and they found it. Now it's your turn. Stop consuming. Start creating. Stop waiting. Start building, and watch boredom disappear forever. Start small. Start today. Remember, 1% at a time.